Guys, welcome back to my channel. I really appreciate any time you come here to watch my videos. Shout out to all those who have been commenting. I really appreciate that. If you are new here on my channel, please subscribe, click on the notification bell so that anytime we release a video you get a notification. Today please we'll be looking at how to create a PayPal account. Yes, how to create a PayPal account for free. Sometimes you want to buy something outside the country, they'll be requesting for a PayPal account. All you have is your bank account and your mobile money account. They'll be asking you to use a PayPal account, then you don't have a PayPal account. That is why we are going to learn how to create a PayPal account for free in Ghana, just like that, using your phone. Just using your phone. There's no need for you to get a laptop. You don't have a laptop, you can use your phone to create the PayPal account for free. Without wasting my time, let's go straight into the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Please comment, share these videos to your friends too, so that anytime we release a video they will get a notification. Thank you. Let's go straight into the video. First, you locate your browser. Either you have a Chrome, Opera Mini, any browser that you have on your phone. Then you go to the search button, then you type PayPal, then you click on enter. You wait for it to load. Then the first option given to you, just click on it. Once it open, it will open like this as in Ghana. This is what we are going to do. We are going to create it. Now we are going to create our account in a different country, in the Arab Emirates. So you go to your search button or the search box over here, then you click on this pencil. It means you are going to edit the HTTPS. Then you clean it, the home and the GH. That is what you are going to do. Then you type in AE, Arab Emirates. Then you click on enter. You wait for it to load. It will open like this. Now there is an option given to you, sign up for free. So you click on sign up for free. Now this menu will open for you. Either you have to create a personal account or business account. Either you're going to create a personal account or a business account. For the purpose of this video, we are going to use the business account. So you click on business account. You accept payment and send invoices to your customers. It's easier and more secure to sell to anyone, anywhere and anytime. So you click on continue. Then they will ask you to type in your email account. So you type in your email account. Then you click on continue. They will ask you to type in your password. So you key in your password. Then you click on continue. They will ask you to type in your legal business name. So I will type in Beidu Lumas. Then they will ask you to type in your business telephone number. So over here you are going to select Ghana. Then you type in your box. You select any of these cities. So I'm gonna select this one, Abu Dhabi. Then you click on agree to the terms and conditions. You can also go through to see if whatever thing you type are correct. Then they'll ask you to type in your business. So I type in individual and sole proprietorship. So they ask the product or the service, the key, maybe the business service. So then I click on continue. We type in your date of birth. So over here you are going to ask your nationality. So we search for Ghana. Then you select your any of them, either your passport or driver license or your national ID. Then you type in the national ID that you want to use. Then over here the home address I'll use as the same. So So box 144 Boka Kumasi Boka, and I click on submit. Then you get a message, welcome to the PayPal commercial platform. Then everything will be done over here. So this is my PayPal account. So that is my balance. I have no money in it. So once you complete the step, that is all. So over here, what you have to do is that you need to confirm your email. So you click over here, then go to your email and confirm your email. So guys, that is all. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. If you are new here, click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, so that anytime we release a video you will get a notification. We shall meet again. Bye.